Hello there guys, it's Jake here at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video on the Suzuki Burgman 400. So here it is, it's a 2025 on a 25 plate with 2,761 miles. And as you can see, it is an absolute gorgeous looking scooter. This one finished in this lovely solid grey. Definitely something a bit different, bit of an head turner. This particular one comes with that really nice Suzuki top box on the back. So plenty of storage room in there. Also on there, you've got that digital display in the middle and your analog clocks. You've got your traction control, ABS, factory fitted heated grips. You've also got the handbrake on there as well, which you can just click on and off. Easy as that. Underseat storage as well. Plenty of it. As you can see, you get absolutely all sorts in there, but lovely bike, very popular. Been going for absolutely years. If you are interested, give us a call, get yourself down and get it bought. Thank you very much for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.